Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on autoplay on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on autoplay on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app, and after opening your YouTube app guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and when you land on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings or the gear icon available for us at the top right corner. Tap on the settings or the gear icon, and when you land on this interface you can see the fourth option where it says the autoplay. Tap on autoplay and you land over here. Now in order to turn on autoplay on YouTube you can see the toggle icon at the right side where it says the phone/tablet. Tap on the toggle icon at the right side, and with that being done guys, your autoplay will be turned on YouTube. And then guys, this is how to turn on autoplay on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.